Welcome back to my channel for those viewers visiting for the first time. I've published other videos about accessibility tools for Power BI, such as keyboard shortcuts tools for checking reports for people with eye impediments, and screen readers. I use my eyes to create Power BI reports or assess reports to check if they comply with accessibility standards. If you like the videos, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to give a thumbs up to the video. This video was produced via an eye tracker. According to the Microsoft documentation, I have shown you 6 on visual keyboard shortcuts in the last 2 videos, and the link is in the description of this video. Now, I will show you the remaining 3 of the on visual keyboard shortcuts. Show or hide tooltip by pressing Ctrl+H. Multi-select on visual by pressing Ctrl+Enter or Ctrl+Spacebar keyboard simultaneously.